There we go. We are live.
Nice. So, hi everyone. So for this session, I don't think that will be too long because right now we're fully focused on this process to do the first ZetaChain V1 release. So we made some change where we're gonna make new release process where only ZetaChain is upgraded. So the blockchain version remains the same. Right now we are 37. We will stay 36, sorry. We'll stay 36, but in the meantime, we make other independent ZetaChain release. And so the first one that we're gonna make is ZetaChain V1. So it's not the first version of ZetaChain, but that will be the first official independent version for ZetaChain. There is currency on Mastodon, which is our main focus right now. So the new process for this workflow has been added in the document that I put here. For protocol contract version, we're gonna make new official version as well. So there will be basically tracked by compatibility with ZetaChain version. And for ZetaChain V1, we'll have the following version for each contract. So yeah, it's also tracked here. There's changes, Sergeant, you already started working on for EVM, but we'll have to do it for the other contracts, creating this develop branch, main branch that will contain the last changes on mainnet. And yeah, that will be the official version that we're gonna have for each contract for the next release. So EVM V15 will be the one with multi deposit support. So V6 with the support for the lookup table. SQI V2 that will be withdrawing core that is authenticated. And Ton V1, that's the current version we have, but we'll need to make a official version. Right now it's not the case. And so yeah, once we make all those releases, we'll keep metrics table maintained. So that will be easy to see where we at for each protocol contract version that we maintain. That's for our current process to deliver ZetaChain V1. Blockchain side, there's not much updates. We upgraded V36. One change we made on Live Network is that we reverted back from 30 million to 50 million gas per block. I think that's the only thing on the blockchain, unless Rugen or Chai, you want to mention something in there. Or let's
I
move on
think
to
you
the
covered
topic.
it.
So main topics are work we're currently doing on their clients. The biggest part, it's different fixes we're working on regarding some performance for inbound observation, also performance regarding the gas usage. So right now there are two main peers open. One is for adjusting the gas limit so we don't broadcast many failed votes inbound. The other one is the internal inbound tracker. Yeah, so it's ready for a new review, right, Charlie? Is there something you want to talk there on any of these two?
Yeah, so regarding this two PR, I think it's pretty ready to review. There's only minor adjustment for the internal tracker where we want to have a fixed number of inbound tracker to scan, like per ticker. That's the only thing needs to be fixed. All good.
What do you mean per ticker?
Oh,
yeah,
this one.
the last comment, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's I mean, on those two, I think it's fine. So as I mentioned, there is those changes for the local nets. I'm gonna push, and we'll be able to basically that allows to replicate the missing bonds issue we had on local net. So we'll be able to see if those fixes are effective for the problem. This one, I mentioned it. We really need to. I mean, here this is gonna be fine, but we really need to separate in different peers because I know that there are three changes: the gas limit, check for the base fee, check for the mempool. Yeah, it's important we have different peers so we can test individually the changes for each of those. But yeah, here it's going to be fine. For the local nets, there are some issues, the upgrade tests. I will just disable the upgrade test, I think. But yeah, I plan to get this one merge to test so we can test the other fixes. And yeah, regarding fixes, so I think that's all we had. It's in those two peers. Let me find a pink. Yeah. So yeah, we'll get those to merge and then we'll run extensive like a stress test. Let's move on the dry mode. Do you have any updates, Renan?
Yep. So I said 3 weeks or something like that. The next time we discuss this, and it's well underway. I opened we have the Zeta repo PR. It's pretty much all reviewed. I think Tanmay has to look at something, and then I don't know if Charlie is also going to review it, but it's pretty much done. Just remember that's the repository for all interactions with the ZetaChain. So I previously mentioned that I wanted to do some refactoring. That's it. For the connected chains, I'm not going to implement the repositories just yet. It would delay the dry mode implementation too much. So I'm just going to use flags. And I already started on the code for the SUI part, and it's really, really fast. It's going to be like less than 100 lines of changes. So I think we can this week at least do SUI and maybe Solana, and next week we'll finish and then start to test it, really work with it.
Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean, what is great with this is that we can, I mean, once it's finished, we can directly start testing with testnet, mainnet, I think.
Yep.
We can follow up on this. For this refactoring, yeah, it looks good to me. And I think it makes a lot of sense. As I say, Charlie, if you could look at it, if you can prioritize reviewing it, because there will be some conflicts, I think, with your change. So we can merge it and get unblocked for the dry modes, the remaining work for the dry mode.
Yeah, I'll take a look.
Yeah, and so that's the epic. So yeah, to make the change for each chains, then adding documentation and we move forward with testing.
Yeah, I'm going to add an issue to track just finalizing everything and doing the testing that's missing from the current issues.
Okay. Great. Exciting to see. And so yeah, except the reviews for this peer, there are no like specific blockers on your side.
No. Yeah, I'm working on the other PRs concurrently.
Okay. On a lookup table, that's the last developer-facing features we have for the release. It's pretty much done, Stefan, right?
Yeah, as you said on the doc, need second review. And
Mhm.
then we can see how to test on the live networks, but that can be a next step, I guess.
Okay. Could you tell me, have a look into it since you work with Sana as well?
Sure, I'll do that.
Okay, and then yeah, we'll talk. I mean, Dennis is off, but maybe we can share with Hernan to test, like make example contract with it. And for Solana, so I know you were looking into other bugs, but as we discussed, like, so for the remaining time we have for the release, yeah, we can work on any other small fixes from audits for Solana.
Yeah, those are not super important. So yeah, if we have time, I think we can include.
Okay. Cool. Last one that we need for the release. So is to have a ZetaChain specific upgrade test. Is here. Yeah, right now the upgrade tests are a bit unstable. We need to. I mean, they're not even useful because we don't make consensus building change, so we don't need to test blockchain upgrade. So yeah, we need the client specific upgrade test that will be much faster and much more stable. Yeah, we talk. Tanmay, did you check with Charlie to work on this one?
Yeah, I started working on it yesterday. I think I'll have a PR ready by end of day today. So
Okay,
yeah, we can, yeah.
sounds good. So that's great. That's the last one, and yeah, if we can have this one this week, so we can add in the CI with the remaining peers, that would be great. For industries as well, you will work to support hostname on TSS, Charlie. I didn't prioritize review for it because the fixes are, yeah, we need to prioritize the fixes, the bugs. But yeah, is there anything you want to bring on this one?
Okay, so this one is small, and I don't think it's gonna impact the security. As far as I can see, we just add additional support for the DNS in GoTSS. This is the first PR, and once we can merge this, so that I can create a tag, create another version, so we can reference in a node repository if we want to add this to the release.
Okay. Yeah, changes are small. I think the review from protocol will be trivial. So I think, yeah, what will be important will be to get this tested with real observer. Maybe you can check on your side, Peter, just some time at one point with the DevOps team.
Yeah, I could probably take a look.
Mm-hmm. It was requested, right, by
So basically, I think this was it wasn't implemented in quite the way that I think we were intending. So like as it's currently implemented, I think we can merge it. Like it'll be like a new feature, but I don't think anyone would use it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, let's see if we have time to revisit it. I think we should first like focus on the testing for the observation bug, the stress testing. If we have time, we can look at this one or put it in
Agreed.
the
I mean, I
after.
think the observer signers aren't really, they haven't asked for this again, so I think it's not very high priority. But I think as implemented, I think we can still merge that part in.
Yeah. Yeah, well, check here. The review should be trivial, but then the testing, let's see once we get time. So this one, yeah, remaining issues for that kind. So we covered the most important, the bug fixes, the features we want. Yeah, we'll just see if we have time, and there are still a few other things that are tracked. But I think we can put all of this in next release. So there will be the chaos mode, which is different from hooligan chaos mode. It's more like chaos mode that is internal into the client. I think that can be like one of the main priority for next release. And yes, Renan, I think we talked. You could focus on this one after the dry mode.
Yeah, I think it's a good follow-up, and it's like a very similar logics.
Good. Yeah, other than that, there are the improvements we can make for a stress test. I plan to continue looking at like the deposit runner we use. We improved the stress test to do stress tests with deposit and core, which replicate better the issue we had on live network. We can improve it further, like stressing with deposit and core that revert boards is something I will look into end of this week. And yeah, otherwise, we'll be good for the next release. So we'll focus for the remaining of this week to complete all the bugs fixing. And then next week, we'll focus on testing all those changes and plan for actual date for the release. Regarding bugs, this one I already mentioned it. The upgrade tests, I don't know. It just doesn't work. Even when we increase the upgrade heights, it doesn't work. I think there are underlying issues, but yeah, as I said, we make ZetaChain only release the upgrades. It's not really important to test, so we just focus on this ZetaChain upgrade test, so we can just disable this one. Yeah, and there's this one with RPC where we get empty transaction. It's a new issue. It's something you're looking at, Stefan and Peter. Is there anything to talk about there? Any help needed here?
Yeah, I'm taking a look into it. I think I know what the issue is. It's not the empty transactions. It's just the old legacy termine transactions are not parsed in the some RPC method. So I'm looking how to figure that out. So yeah, we'll let you know on the thread.
And so for that, that's probably going to be a patch, right? For Zeta Core D. Like we're just gonna, I guess that would be the patch that we would do off the Zeta Core D RPC only version.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. I mean, that's kind of a plan we had last week already.
Yeah. So yeah, I think that plan will just continue. I think if that patch doesn't, or if that patch helps but it doesn't fix it, I think the other problem might be that there's no archive node out there right now for ZetaChain that is like 100% like up, like, or it was like it has like the correct data for every block. So I think we may also need to spin up our own new archive node and let it start syncing from start. But we'll see if this patch from Stefan works first.
Okay.
Yeah, but that's a separate issue. Even if we have a syncing from scratch, this will sync to the same transaction. So
yeah. So I think like that. What I'm saying is like I think your patch definitely could help, but I don't know if that's the only issue. Like I don't know if there's an archive out there that does have complete data. Like we'll see.
okay.
Okay. As soon as there is issue identified, if you can just create the issue on GitHub, so we have an overview of the problem, that would be great. Is there anything on your side, Peter, from DevOps, Julian, any help, any blockers on your side you want from the program team?
No blockers. I'm still working on the PR to add the new dashboards. I think they're mainly working. I'm still just kind of like running through it, but yeah,
Okay.
I don't think. Yeah, hopefully I'll have that up today.
Great. Yeah, well, I will look at it. You're gonna make a PR, right?
Yeah.
Cool. So yeah, we covered all the topics. Does someone has something else to bring up?
I might have missed it. Did you talk about the Solana optimizations at all?
That's yeah, the lookup table.
Oh yeah, perfect. Okay.
So we had good number. Yeah, so it looks like good optimization, and that's the main work related to this.
Okay, perfect. Yeah, I was just getting asked about that yesterday.
Okay. And otherwise, does everything looks good to you regarding the current work on the ZetaChain? Is there anything you see missing?
No, I think this is good. I think this next, or I guess V1, which is not quite the first one, but it's going to have a lot of really good, useful stuff in there, especially things that support the DEXs that are already running on us and are successfully running on us. I think this will be a really good improvement for them.
The DEX, you said?
Yeah, for like Beam and Zuno, because they're the one like for the Solana optimizations and stuff like that. They're going to utilize those.
Okay. Cool. So stop sharing my screen. If there are no other points to discuss, I think we can wrap up here.
Sounds good. Thanks, everyone. And if people listening, you can always jump into our Discord and ask questions there. We've got some DevX folks who are always happy to help out and answer questions for everyone. Cool. Thanks, everyone.
Thanks. Have a good
Thanks.
week.
See ya.
Bye.